Hi friends, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make your 3D intro without installing any software and for free using your laptop or your computer. So this intro doesn't means that type of intro that hi friends, my name is Shubro, not like these intros, but the professional type of intros that I have as a system hacking type of that you will also see later in this video. So that type of intro, but a 3D type of like a 3D intro for your videos. So how you can make this without installing any software in your PC or your laptop and also for free. So hi friends, my name is Shubro and welcome back to another new video. Let's begin. So to do this, let's first open our web browser, that is Google Chrome. So after you have opened Google Chrome, then in the URL search panzard.com. Whenever search panzard.com in the URL of Google Chrome, you will see a website like this in front of you. So here at the first you can see clip maker. So click here. So now here you can make your 3D intros, 3D clips. This is the area where we have to make that. So here you can find many templates here, but if you don't like the templates of here, then you can go to more creations at the bottom. So whenever you click on more creations, you will find a large number of templates, also with the subscribe button and other intro type templates that mainly we use in our YouTube video intros. And you can also search here you can see this is end screen, and here you can search. So I will take this intro, so let's click on here. The intro that you want to take, just click there and then just click on open in clipmaker option. So when you will click on the open in clipmaker button, so it will take you to the editing page and will just load for some time. Okay, so now here you can see this is the 3D zone where you can edit. So let's play this once. So here you can see this is the intro that we will use. So we can keep it like this only, or you can edit it like this also, like just using your mouse. I will keep it like this. So like this you can just move your text into some direction or into an angle. So now here you can see it is written text here. So now we have to know that how we can edit this text. Okay, so to edit this text, just click here. Then you will see here objects. So let's go to objects. After you have gone to the objects option, then you can see like this. So here's a group text. Okay, so here you can see this is the text. So click here and now you can just edit this text as you want. So I will write my name here and just click enter. So when you click enter, you will come to know that here is Shubhra. So let's delete this text. So you can see that here it is written Shubhra. Okay, so like this you can edit the text and keep it at an angle. So let's turn on this. So here you can see that my name is in a 3D motion. It is a 3D type of intro. So you can move your text like this also. Okay. After you have done it, let's go to here and let's go to the project option. And you will come to the project. You can see it like this. Okay. So we have done our editing. Now how to download this video? So download the video, again click here and go to the download button. Then click on start video render. And you can also choose the mode of your video. The fastest render means it is not very good quality, it's a very much low quality, and the balanced is medium type of quality, and there is a good quality, and then there is extreme quality, and the rendering speed will be very much slow. Okay, so I will just choose balanced here, and you can also choose the format. I will prefer you to choose the MKV and then click on start video render. After you have click on start video render, then it will start rendering, and after it has done the render, then we can download the video. So now you can see that the video is completely rendered, and when it is rendered completely, click on download your video to download the video that you made. So when you click download your video, then your downloading will start in a few seconds. So here you can see it was only 8.9 MB. So let's completely download it. So here you can see this is the video. So you can make 3D intros like this very easily for free without installing any software, directly from the website. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button below, and then click on the share button and share the video with your friends so that they can also make awesome intros, and also click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon that will appear just beside the subscribe button, and set it to all to receive all the notifications of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching.